Hello soldiers, in this tutorial we are going to learn about Python while loops. Python has two primitive loop commands. One is while loops and another one is for loops. The while loop. With the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as a condition is true. So in this example you can see here I initialized I equals to 1. Here is the condition while I less than 6 print I. Then I am incrementing I equals to I plus 1. So when I becomes 6 this condition is no longer true, then it will stop the loop. So you can see the output right there. Next, break statement. With the break statement we can stop the loop even if the condition is true. So here you can see, here I am using if statement in while loop. Here if I equals to 3 break. That means by this statement what it does, when I becomes 3 and it checks here yes I is less than 6, then it will print I, then it will print, that means it will print 3. When it comes here it will break the loop. So you can see the output 1 2 3. Continue statement. With the continue statement we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. So here you can see if I equals to 3 continue. Here what will happen means when I becomes 3, what it does means it will stop, it will not print that value. So that's why we wrote print statement bottom. After this if statement we wrote print statement. So you can see the output. Now else statement. With the else statement we can run a block of code once when the condition is no longer is true. Here you can see in this example, so when I becomes 6 this condition is no longer true, then it will print I is no longer less than 6. So this is the use of else statement. That's it for now. Meet you next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.